However, bring the smallest falcon in North America, again found right here in this area, the beautiful American kestrel. This bird is formerly known as the sparrowhawk, and not because it looks like a sparrow. This bird loves to eat sparrows, believe it or not. Found in the country, found in the city, and once in a while at backyard bird feeders. This beautiful bird is coming to your backyard bird feeder to capture and eat the birds coming to your backyard bird feeder for the seeds you put out. The American kestrel, believe it or not, can capture other birds in flight up to the size of this. Dark-colored eyes and that little baffle in his beak and those mallard stripes.
Guys, let's go.
Distributed all throughout the Americas. And that's why they have the name of American kestrel. Now, for those of you guys who are looking at the American kestrel, and maybe you're thinking, well, he looks really cute, and some of you maybe can hear this little bird. You can see him bobbing his head. He's checking things out.
Can we get a bee with him?
Yes, we can get a bee with him.
Checking out everything. Can you guys hear that? He's close by. Yep. So he has a very light, sort of cheepy sound that he makes. There you go. You guys can hear that. And they also have a screechy noise that they make as well. Now, for those of you guys who are thinking, well, he looks cute and sounds cute, but I've never seen one before. Perhaps most of you guys have, but maybe you're dismissing this species for another. Next time you see a mourning dove on a telephone line before, have a closer look. If you just see one hanging out all by itself, it's most likely an American kestrel. It's the tail that is the giveaway. The tail on the American kestrel, it swings, you see that, back and forth and back, just like the pendulum on a clock. And that's how you know you have the smallest falcon in North America, the beautiful American kestrel, again, found right here in this area. Okay, let's go for the smallest bird of prey in Ontario, actually in Canada, actually in North America. Hey. So, of course, we're talking about the magnificent bald eagle. This is Rocco, and Rocco is a 13-year-old male bald eagle. He weighs in at a whopping 8 pounds. And its wingspan from wingtip to wingtip is, there we go, 6 feet. A female bald eagle can weigh upwards of 16 pounds. Remember, she weighs more than him. There we go. Recycled. Yeah, it's recycled fish. A female bald eagle, being a third larger, can weigh upwards of 16 pounds and have a wingspan of almost 7 feet. So quite significantly larger than him. A bald eagle hatches out of an egg this big. So from this size to this size takes only 3.5 months. So a 3.5-month-old bald eagle is just as big as its mother and father. A 3.5-month-old female bald eagle is actually bigger than her father by a third. Remember, because girls are bigger than boys. But a 3.5-month-old bald eagle is fully brown. They have chocolate brown eyes, a chocolate brown beak, a chocolate brown head, a chocolate brown body, and a chocolate brown tail. It takes 5.5 years for a bald eagle to look like this. Their eyes change color, their beak changes color, so does their head, their body, and their tail. So Rocco is sporting his mature plumage. At 5.5 years until the end of his life as a senior, this is the plumage that he will sport. So this is called mature plumage. Anything that doesn't look like this, of course, is called immature plumage. A 2-year-old bald eagle is super easy to recognize because they're a fully brown bird, chocolate brown eye, chocolate brown beak, chocolate brown body, chocolate brown tail, but they have a white belly. And remember, the girls and the boys look exactly the same. For those of you guys who are thinking, who calls a bald eagle a bald eagle? We can see he's not bald. You're right, but bald, B-A-L-D-E, in Old English, so how we used to speak hundreds of years ago, meant white. So you can see he qualifies in the whitehead department. But it did take him 5.5 years to get that white head. Now make sure you check out his toes. They're knobby and gnarly. nothing really delicate about them at all. Perfect for grasping hold and keeping hold of a slippery, scaly fish. If you check out his beak, also you'll notice it's not very delicate at all. It's super long, super sharp, and again, perfect for what he's got to do, which is to tear into a tough, scaly fish body. Aside from capturing in the Toronto area that I personally know of, is on the grounds of the Royal Botanical Gardens, sort of on the border of Hamilton and Burlington. There's been a successful nest there for about the last, I'm going to say, 4 years. So these birds are now nesting right here in our own backyard, which is fantastic to see. Thanks so much, guys. We do have a lot of events going on here at the village. Make sure you check the flag, the information's there. Make sure you check all the events out. Thanks so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. If you guys want to see Rocco, I'm going to have him right here on his perch for the next little while. I just ask that you don't walk behind him and give us about 5 feet in front. Thanks, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day.